Hello class, today we are talking about the welding techniques. So a welding technique, these are various methods used to join two or more pieces of metal by melting them together to form a fusion. So we have these two terms, tack welding and stitching. These terms we use in welding techniques. Tack welding is when you have a plate like this. These are T-joint, but before you make your final weld, you should be able to tack here, make a small weld, and also make a small weld here, so that you can be able to realign and also the angle of the metals and the base metal before starting to weld. So these assist in avoiding distortion of metal, and also the distance of the metal will be more precise before you do the final welding. We have another term called stitching. Stitching is almost the same as tack welding, but now this happens later. After you have already finished doing the tacking, you do some small weld which are not complete, also here and also here. This one mostly we do in stainless steel metals and also long metals. So we do a small stitching which will prevent the metal from distortion, and also it's a part of welding. The difference between stitching and tack is that stitching is part of the welding, but tack is just for us to be able to realign the metals before we weld.